Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm sitting in front of a 2026 Bennington 23 MSL. This is their lounger seat edition. Really excited to show you the inside of this. This is a new floor plan for 2026, and I think it's going to make a big impact here in our local market. This boat is a tri-tune with our SPS Performance package. It has a 250 horsepower Mercury V8 engine, which will give you plenty of power for all your water sports needs and have a boat full of your friends and family. This is the midnight blue panel color with the blackout package, gorgeous color scheme, and we have the graphite interior. Let's walk around to the back of the boat. Okay, thanks for joining me back here. As I was saying, we have the 250 horsepower V8 engine. This boat does have the extended aft deck with the dual gate entry option. Really a great entertaining area back here. Tons of room to get on and off the boat. This boat will have a ski tow bar installed on it as well. And it does have the new lily pad entry ladder. Great ladder, makes getting in and out of the boat effortless. Come on inside, let me show you this new floor plan. Okay, I'm going to start on the bow of this boat. This boat, being an M series, does have the 80% cutout, which gives you tons of room to stick your sunglasses, sunscreen, purses, or wallets out of the way. Has a nice little tray area with a charging port for your phone, built-in cup holders, flip-down armrests, a removable bow table. All the entry points have our gate glides with LED lights on them to hold the doors open and give you a nice entryway lighting area, and just shut and close effortlessly. We did do the in-floor storage on this boat, so you'll have plenty of room for all your towables or skis. Come on over to the helm with me. Absolutely love this helm. We have the new 12-inch Vivid screen with built-in GPS, a tilt steering wheel, a Bluetooth stereo, soft touch buttons for all your controls. This boat even has the power bimini top, and you have a soft touch button to raise and lower your bimini top as well. I like how they bring the throttle right down here alongside the driver for a nice comfortable driving position. Tons of cup holders here for the driver. I've got two up on the dash. I've got one tucked down here alongside of me. We even have a master power button so you don't have to go to that battery switch every time. Of course, we got to do the elevated helm as well. Now here's this new floor plan. It's going to take a minute for me to show you all the things that this boat does, but you get the best of all worlds. You can have a forward-facing captain's chair, rear loungers, forward-facing loungers, very, very versatile seating arrangement. As you can see right here, this sling back will flip forwards to backwards. I've got pop-up backrest for multiple directions. You can raise and lower those, make one long lounge. You can lift up this backrest to have an interior-facing lounge, or flip it all the way down to have that bench. The starboard side will do the same thing with the lounger back and the backrests, just giving you a ton of different seating arrangements. You can really maximize that for comfort for all your friends and family. Would love to show you this boat in person here at MarineMax in Greenville.